All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. I just got home from work, like about 20 minutes ago. Got everything set up. I'm gonna get straight to it, guys. Gonna cut this shit up. I'm put the garage up just a little bit, let it ventilate. Yeah, guys. Got everything lined out. Like I said, I am gonna be cutting a little bit of extra, so I have a little bit more material to work with. So I'm gonna cut as close as I can to the wall here. All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna set up a tripod real quick, and I'll be right back with you guys. Cut things down up. All right, guys. So my phone died. So I'm not sure where it cut off. I watched some of it right now. It did get most of it, but my phone did end up dying. So I did end up cutting the piece already. Check it out, guys. We do have a lot of extra material to work with. So all of this After the little dotted line is kind of like extra material that we can work with. Like I said, this, I'm not sure if this is going to be a problem or not. This is my first time welding, so my first time doing any like frame damage, body work, whatever. You know, I've done Bondo, but nothing like this. So just to give you guys a better idea. Okay, so yeah, obviously gonna have to flatten this out, make it, you know, even so it lines up with this side here. That's what I'm gonna be targeting most. So this right here, and then obviously this up here, gonna make sure that lines up. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking away from here as needed. So yeah, like I said, just gonna have probably have to get it mocked up, and but just so you guys get like a bigger picture of the piece, you know. Almost there, guys. We got it. We got this. Yeah, guys. So I got that. Got the radiator support. Got the welder. I got I'll see. Maybe I'll try to get the welder set up tomorrow. I gotta go run some errands and stuff, but we did something. So that's good, guys. As long as we're doing something every day to you know, progress, and that goes with, you know, day-to-day life or just your goals, anything, guys. It's real easy to like stay in idle. I don't know where I'm going with this, but yeah, guys, it's hard to take that first step sometimes, but you just got to do it, you know, and just go from there and figure it out and learn and whatever, you know. All right, guys, so real quick, one thing I just thought about, not sure how this will affect the, you know, stability or durability, whatever, structure, whatever, but what if I just get like a filler piece here, you know, and just close this gap up, so I can probably even bend this up as close as possible and put it like a little piece of scrap metal or something, or fill it in, you know, get that all straightened out, this straight out, that way it'll be a bit straighter. I think that's, I'll see. Not sure, guys. I'll see though. But yeah, that's honestly it, guys. Real quick video again. Nonetheless, it is an update. I'm gonna try to make more videos. Yeah, just yeah. It's been so long since I've worked on the car, so this may not seem like a lot, but to me, guys, it's a lot. So we did do something, so I'm glad we did something. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.